When I wrote a reasonable accommodation, which is for the court to stop playing musical chairs with my brother's case. Moving the case where all the litigants are in Hartford, where the City of Harford and the employees who can testify on my brother's behalf are literally steps away from the Hartford District Court. I mean, it's right next door. It's the City of Harford Employee Building, the City of Harford Library, the District Court. It's not funny, but this is the absurdity that poor people have to deal with. Despite all the litigants and all the testimony and all the employees and all the witnesses are in Hartford. Move the case to New Haven. So I write a reasonable accommodation request for the case to be moved back to Hartford, where all the litigants are from. You know, it sounds pretty reasonable, don't you think? Not to her. This is what I call in my book. She moved the case to New Haven, and she turned down my reasonable accommodation request. And guess what? Now the case is in Bridgeport. It would be laughable if it wasn't true. Can you imagine if you live in Hartford and your voting booth was in Bridgeport? Oh, don't look at the voting booth that you passed right now, right next to you. See, that's for the people that can afford a lawyer to access that courthouse. Yours is now in Bridgeport. Now, take the highway. What you say? You can't afford a car? You don't have a car because you're poor? Oh, well, this buses. This is justice in America in 2018. Seriously, what happens to people who are impoverished who cannot afford to drive to Bridgeport? Chief Judge Janet C. Hall denied my reasonable accommodation request by saying, federal courts do not have to obey the American with Disabilities Act. You can pick and choose what disabled person gets accommodations because